Hello, welcome to Travel with Suri. If asked, one of the first things someone mentions about visiting San Antonio, Texas is the river walk. Locals love this place, and it is usually one of the top 3 places they will recommend visiting. If you have never been to the river walk, it is definitely something to see while visiting San Antonio, Texas. The San Antonio River Walk is 15 miles long and flows through about 5 miles of downtown San Antonio. Along the banks, there are nearly 50 places to dine, snack, and drink.
Jingling feet, that's the jingle bell, that's the jingle bell, that's
Inside, there's a Rocky Mountain Chocolate Factory and also 2 ice cream locations right next to the Five and Dime store. But if you have more of a taste.
Depending on your preferences, you could spend hours or a couple of days taking in everything from parades to live performances. The beloved San Antonio tradition, a holiday river parade, is a 1 hour boat and float parade among 100K Christmas lights along the river walk. The river walk crosses through several important areas of downtown San Antonio. The river walk passes by the Convention Center, the Tower of the Americas, and the River Center Mall.
I met a man who lives in town.
Here are few things to keep in mind before visiting the Riverwalk. Hotels on the Riverwalk are convenient but expensive. So select a hotel a block or two away from Riverwalk. It is very crowded over the weekends, so visit during the week if possible. Take the boat tour and you won't regret it. The Riverwalk is absolutely free. Check a restaurant's review before selecting it. I hope you all liked my video. If you liked it, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching.